All right, we're out here doing a assessment repair for John Kim out here in Buford. We marked up our assessment shingle in neon green here and our adjacent shingles in light blue. All I'll be doing is using the required roof snake required by all the bigger insurances. Take this out, put it right back in, show before and after photos. Go ahead and get started, be as gentle as possible.
All right, step to your right. Let's look at the matting of these shingles first before we continue going. See if we have any mat transfer. All right, so we've got mat transfer right there on the shingle. You can see a big piece of matting just ripped right off. That's on one shingle. Keep going. Scoot down, brother. We've got more mat transfer right there. Right there.
Right here.
Very little on this one. We'll skip this one. It's not even that bad. We've got mat transfer right there, right there. We've got more mat transfer right there. You can see really good right there, right there.
Same here.
Big piece right here. So we've got mat transfer right here, so let's mark this one off. We've got mat transfer right here, so let's mark that one off. We've got mat transfer down here, right?
This one, yep, right here as well.
Yep, so you got mat transfer
got
right
4
there.
Out of the picture there.
Okay, so we've got pretty much almost every shingle has mat transfer, but we'll continue on with the repair anyways, but every shingle pretty much has failed that we've had to break the seal on. Actually, all 3 shingles above the assessment shingle have been torn. Either way, we'll continue on and that breeze is nice. Beautiful. Should be it.
Should be it right there.
Beautiful.
We'll go ahead and everything off. We also have some hinging here on shingle 3, right here at the top.
It's very little. We'll try to get good photos of it, but it's gonna be tough with the shadow.
Yeah. We'll go ahead and place it right back in and then get some before and afters. So we're all good here. The hinging and the mat transfer on shingle 3, 4, and 5. Cause fill, we'll get good photos and document everything.